Roomie, what up? So checking in. I know I wasn't on here. What did I do Monday and Tuesday? Oh, that was kind of rough. Like my foot was hurting something serious, so I didn't really do nothing. I was like at work and then appointments, and then I was back home. This Chick-fil-A lemonade is bomb. When I tell y'all, it's everything. This lemonade is everything. About to head out to the kiddos' school. It's a young author's night, so I'm gonna check out what my big boys done in school and stuff. So I'm gonna need you to tie them shoes, little boy. So that's what I'm about to do. My foot hurts, for real, for real. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get in this car because I'm trying to do too many things and it ain't really working out, okay? It's not really working. I'll tell you about how I'm driving, and I'm like, dang, what am I like that? I'm like, something don't feel right. Go shut my door. I'm like, something doesn't feel right. I got on the slide. I'm like, duh. Like, girl. This has to be the dumbest thing you probably could have did. Yo, that's lighting topic. Hey, hey. So, we're walking to the school. Let's go see what these little minions did. My foot is hurting. I probably should have rode on my scooter. But I'm going to try this walking stuff out. Seems like everybody decided to come at the same time. We'll check back in a few.
I stayed in playing video big snowman. I was right there. And that's you. We have the same copy.
Heading to my next son's classroom, which is all the way down the other end of the hallway. They are both on the same hallway. One on one end, I mean the absolute end. Another one's on the other end.
Oh, look at that face. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta get a picture of that. That's a hot
70 people. But yeah. Slowly but surely, we are making it. It's kind of looking like this is what's kids' hallway. Oh, I'm getting there, y'all. Slowly but surely. I really should have brought my scooter. My foot is hurting now, honey. But I'm trying to try this new little insole thingy he gave me. See my boot. I'm making it. I'm making it. I'm hollering at y'all though. You don't remember what you?
I need a fidget spinner? Ah.
And then you can't really see that.
Xbox?
It looks
360?
it's the Oregon Trail rating.
Nice.
So it's like we have to imagine like what would it be if it was in like if it was in the Oregon Trail.
Hey, no, 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 hey.
Back in the house. I was supposed to go somewhere, but that didn't happen. Change of plans. So, hey. It is what it is. Y'all, honey, when I say this workout was real, it was real. I forgot to bring y'all along with me. I got y'all next time. I was trying to scope while I was in there, though, or where I could put y'all up as I work out. I have to figure it out. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got a vacation coming up, so I'm trying to get my extra slim goodie on, you know. Ain't like I had a whole lot of work to do, but it's just like to tone up since I've been sitting around for the last 30 something days since the surgery. So, you know what I'm saying, it's time to get back in. I was like, whoo, Lord, like this is real. You know, probably should have started off slow, but I'm just like, no, go get it. You want these results, do what you do. You know what you need to do. Had to take it easy. I couldn't do as much cardio as I like because I can't really like run like that. Not yet, but I love to run and I can't wait till I can get back to running. I'm about to make this store run, come back home, chill, watch some TV, and yeah, that's about to be the move. Oh Lord, y'all, the struggle's real. It's real, but we getting it. And guess what? Y'all know y'all coming with me on my trip, right? Y'all know y'all coming. Y'all coming. It's gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? Me and Roomie gonna be in the building, you know. So hey, it's gonna be real. It's gonna be real. I'm telling y'all. Like, we about to have some fun. I'm taking y'all on both trips. So hey, you know what I'm saying? When we get there, I'll let y'all know. Or as we get closer, I'll let y'all know where we're going. In due time, you know what I'm saying? Build up the anticipation. You know, build it up. Let y'all get hype. You know what I'm saying? Pack your bags. You know, y'all gonna pack with me. We gonna pack together. So you make sure we have all the stuff, all the essentials. You know what I'm saying? Like everything. We gotta have swimsuits on deck. You know? Like dresses, shorts, you know what I'm saying? We gotta show out, you know, so you gotta have your real dressy wear, everything. You gotta have it all. Hair, we changing up hair, you know, black, blonde, red, you name it, we doing it. Blue might get my little mermaid on, who knows, you know what I'm saying? Just, we'll see though. But let me hear from get up out this house. I'm gonna come check back in with y'all. I'm gonna say, hey, Ruby.
Hi.
Everybody, this is Ruby.
Nice to see you all.
Yeah, I was just talking about earlier. I was like, I'm taking y'all with me and Roomie on our vacation. They not ready. I told them, I was like, look, y'all gonna have to pack with us. Everything is going down, y'all. We about to watch this movie. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what I think about it and everything else. So stay tuned, okay?
2 hours later.
Oh, we was gonna let y'all know how to move. It was real good.
Good jumping and shit.
Yeah, holding our breath.
Breathing on my blood pressure on sky high.
But it was good, y'all. It was good. Y'all gotta go see it. We gotta get our car. It's cold and this wind blowing. I don't know what's going on.
It's about to be May. Why is it cold out here?
We don't have time for this. We need to get on the boat. We on the boat.
If you like
We out, y'all. So I found what I was looking for in Hot Topic, and they had a sale, so it was great. But it was like a million kids in that store. I'm up here like, it's like a maze just to get out the store. I'm like, okay, y'all. They bumping into you. I'm like, please don't let one of these little kids step on my foot. Cause it ain't gonna be nothing good. Nothing good at all. I ain't gonna even lie. I would have had a whole problem. So I know it's now time to get out of this mall. It has been real. I came, I saw, I conquered, I did exactly what I needed to do. And now I can roll this beautiful bean footage and get up out of here right now. I'm not even gonna look in Sephora. I'm just gonna walk past. I'm just gonna walk past. It's coming up, y'all. I can do this. I can be strong. I have willpower. I believe I got this. I can do it. I can do it. Y'all see it? It's coming up. It's coming up. We're gonna keep going. We're totally gonna keep going. We are not going to go in there today. And we're walking past the door. We're almost past it, Yeah. And we did it. So this eyelash don't want to act right. So my girl had to go to Walmart right quick and go buy her some lash glue and some lashes. It's not even a game. You know, I'm not about to be out here looking crazy. That's what we not gonna do. So about to fix my lash right quick, and then I'm gonna come back so y'all can see me. Hey. I'm back in the building. I'm good to go. Lashes on. Hey. Ooh! Oh, y'all look at Roomie. Oh, check her out. Oh, she cut it up, honey. Oh, showing out. She is showing out, honey. We did not come to play with you hoes. You hear what I'm saying? We did not come to play with you hoes. Alright? Alright. We're about to go out and have us a good time. You know, like no other. Only us can do. Hold on. Find that light. There we go. Oh.
You said find that light.
Yes. Light popping. Oh. Short bub in the building. Oh yeah. All right. Got these lashes back. We about to go. We gon' holler at you later. So, another great night out with my roomie. We came, we saw, we conquered. Look at him. He been making all this noise. He wanted somebody to see him. We see you, boo. We see you. Like, people be doing the most. He was up there checking stuff in the car. He had his trunk open, everything. Like, okay. Now watch. Everybody about to go down here to this Waffle House because they hungry. And then they gonna hit their limit and be like, people can't come in. That's what's gonna happen. I promise y'all. It's gonna happen. What's good, y'all? Happy Saturday. I'm about to get dressed. Well, I'm dressed. Like, I'm not putting on any real clothes. I'm only taking my boys to go get their haircut. But y'all, check out my beautiful with sparkle shirt. Shout out to Ryan and my sis Britt for putting me on and getting my shirt done. Oh, it is lit. Like, I'm loving everything about this. Did a bomb job. Thanks, Ryan. I really appreciate it. Definitely will be getting more because I love the way this came out. Like, different things. So, it's lit. For real, y'all. To finish getting ready. Do something with my head. And, yeah. That's gonna be it. So I guess once we leave, let's try to find this lighting. Ooh. Like it's over here. Yeah. Let's go out to work. So yeah. Once I get ready, I come back in here and check in with y'all because it's about to be real quick and simple. I'm back and I'm ready. Alright. Again, beautiful with sparkles. My new company. Also, I got some new hotness that'll be coming on the website. So if you follow my Snapchat, which also is in the description box, you will see all that info as well. And you will see what I have put on my Snapchat today. So that's lit. Time to get up out of here. Blow this candle out. I know I need to put on my jacket beforehand. I know it's fairly cold. What I want to do is like a late start. This is my first time out the house today, y'all. Like the very first time. I really didn't plan on doing anything besides coming to get the haircut. But what up, though? So feels so funny having lashes on with my glasses. But my eyes were so dry with my contacts and itching. I already knew it when I went outside in this stupid pollen. But I'm in the crib watching SWAT. I don't know if y'all watch that show, but if y'all do, it's so good. Like, this is my show. So that's why I'm catching up on shows. About to get ready to find my church clothes for in the morning. And yeah,